Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Schafer Elementary School in Lombard, Illinois, in District 45. This is actually my fourth visit to this school. I've been here over the years in person and virtually, now back in person. And we've built on themes over the last 4 or 5 years, talking about bullying, diversity, positivity. Now today was leadership, right? Like it says on the flyer on the wall behind me, it was all about turning our passion into our purpose, right? Where we basically think about what makes us come alive, like what is our fire inside of us, inside of our heart, why I have this design that's in the shape of a heart, this peace sign, right? But then we are able to go out and turn that into why we're even here on this planet. And to already get the wheels turning at a young age, that's basically the idea, right, of what I'm trying to accomplish, especially with today's program. And so we had 2 separate assemblies, one for grades K to 2, one for grades 3 to 5, age-appropriate presentations. And the whole intention was that they left inspired to go and be more positive leaders for this world, right? And so we always say too that there's no right way to lead or wrong way to lead as long as we're doing it positively, right? So that's why there's also multicolors in this design, because there's different ways to be a leader. Some of us are more vocal, like myself, I speak for a living, right? Some of us are more quiet. We have that quiet strength and we're able to lead by example, lead with our actions. And so I really love their acronym that you see here. It says strong, creative, helpful, authentic, friendly, empathetic, and resilient. And this is really what leadership is all about right here at Schafer, home of the Sharks. And it was just very touching today. A lot of students came up to me and shared their heart with me. That something had tugged their heart. There's different stories that I share, heartfelt stories. There's inspirational videos. There's motivational music, and the whole idea behind that too is that we're trying to, just touch a small piece of their heart, right, and share different stories, a wide variety that maybe they can relate to. Kids their age that have overcome, some difficult times, only to eventually achieve greatness. And so some of the other key components of today's message was talking about how we have to do the right thing, even when no one's watching, right? And that we need to put people first and think second, have that priority in mind, that we do things not just for a trophy or for money or for, an award up on the wall, but we're just doing it because it is the correct thing that we should be doing. Further, we really explored this whole idea that we can be like bowling balls versus balloons, right? Someone who's a bowling ball is strong, they have character, they're resilient, like it says back here too, and they're not going to be affected by peer pressure or doing the wrong thing or negative things, right? They're going to stand up for what's right, have the courage to do, what is right, and knowing that just one small action can make a huge difference in someone's heart. We talked about the story of the starfish, right? The girl throwing them back in the ocean, and as she throws them back in one at a time, she said, at least I made a difference to this one. And that's really all that truly matters, is that we're just being like someone's helping hands. We're thinking about our legacy, what we want to be remembered for, hopefully like someone's helping hands. And to really think of what we want to be remembered for, it kind of ties into our hands, that all of us with the lines on our hands, we have the letter M, right? Shows our power as a leader, our potential, that we know this M with the lines on our hands. We have at least one in each hand. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but that M stands for miracle, upside down. W for worthy, also a part of this image too, the M and the W, right? And that idea is that we need to believe that we are true, beautiful miracles, and then help others that maybe don't see that in themselves or have forgotten that, never been told that they are also miracles, right? That's what leaders do, right? We actually rise by lifting others, right? That's what we end up doing. And so just, again, very encouraging today that so many of them took what we talked about to hearts, staff included. There were some tears too, and that's okay, because tears are the sweat of our strength. It means we're starting to heal and feel again. So I'm always very happy when I see that, because that means that somebody is having that strength to step into that emotion, right? And move past some of that so they can be fully in for this planet. Again, though, just great morning, early afternoon here at Schafer. Thank you guys again for touching my heart. You're beautiful. You're always etched on my heart forever. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.